Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to send emails from Airtable with a click of a button. So here what I want is that on a click of a button, I want to send instant emails through Gmail to all my customers that I have the detail in my records in Airtable. So for that, I just need to set up a button in Airtable, and for setting up the button, I need to use Webhook by Pabbly. So simply by using my Webhook URL, I have to add that in my button and I can get the response of my record ID from that button. So as I'm going to receive that response, then automatically I'm going to get all the detail of my record from Airtable, and as I'm going to get that detail, then I can instantly send emails through Gmail to my customer. So for that, I just need to build a connection between Webhook by Pabbly, Airtable and Gmail. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to click on my button in Airtable, then automatically I'm going to receive the response via Webhook by Pabbly, and as I'm going to receive that response, then automatically I'm going to get the record details from Airtable, and as I'm going to receive all these details, then automatically I can send email by using Gmail. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can send emails from Airtable with a click of a button. So sending instant emails from Airtable with buttons using Pabbly Connect can greatly streamline communication workflows, especially for businesses and teams that rely on timely responses and updates. So imagine you are managing a sales team that tracks leads and customer interactions. Now in Airtable, you have the record of the customers or the leads that can buy your products and can be converted into a loyal customer. So here what you want is that each time a lead reaches a specific stage in the pipeline, you need to send a personalized follow-up email with a special offer to convert that lead into a customer and to keep the engagement alive. So by integrating Airtable with Gmail through Pabbly Connect, you can set up a button within your Airtable base that when clicked triggers the sending of predefined emails instantly. So this automation saves time and ensures consistency in your communication. Now for instance, you add a detail of a lead and add the detail of a customer with the email template that you want to send to that particular lead or customer, and now as your teammate, click a button in Airtable that you have created for sending emails. So by simply clicking on that button, a tailored follow-up email or the personalized email will be sent to that particular lead, and this will eliminate the need to draft and send emails manually. Now in this video, I will show you how to set up this efficient system, ensuring that your team can quickly and effectively communicate with leads and customers directly from Airtable. And this integration not only boosts productivity, but also enhances the accuracy and speed of your communication processes. So here what we want is that we want to set up a system in such a way that here we will first add a button, and by clicking on that button, instantly an email will be sent that we have added in this Airtable row. So here what we are going to do is, and for setting up this button and for building this integration, we need to use Pabbly Connect. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to first open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click here on this create workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send emails from Airtable with a click of a button. Now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab, and here I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to use this particular folder of Airtable. Now I need to click on create, and this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and these are the two main building blocks of our workflow. So here trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So we need to first set up our trigger, and here in our workflow, we can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up our trigger, we need to first search for our trigger application, and here we need to first add a button in our Airtable account by using Webhook by Pabbly. So here my trigger application is going to be Webhook by Pabbly, so I'm going to select that. And now I need to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and catch Webhook will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And now what I'm going to do is, by using this Webhook URL, I'm going to create a button, and now as anyone will click on that button from my team, then automatically I'm going to receive that Webhook by the click of that button. So here I need to first copy this Webhook URL, and now I need to take you to my Airtable account. And here for setting up my button, I need to first add a new column, so I'm going to click on this plus button. And here I'm going to search for my field type, so I'm going to search my field type as button, and now I'm going to select button here. Now I need to first give a name to my field name, so I'm going to name it as send email. So this is going to be the name of my button, and now I need to add a formula to my button. So here I have a formula for getting a Webhook response from my button. So here my formula starts with a double quote, and inside of this I'm going to first add my Webhook URL, and now I need to give a question mark, and I need to type record ID. So here I want the record ID from my Webhook response, that's why I'm adding record ID. And now I need to go out of my double quote, and I'm going to give a sign of and here I need to type record underscore ID, and this should be in capital letter, and I need to give a bracket. Now here also, after this record ID, you need to give a equal to sign. Now this formula is completed. So here I have added this formula for sending the Webhook response of record ID automatically to Pabbly Connect as we are going to click that button. Now here I have added my formula. Now what I need to do is, I need to click on save. And here I have successfully created this button, and I have updated my field. Now what I need to do is, I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, it is waiting for Webhook response. So how I'm going to get this Webhook response? For that, I need to click on my button that I've created in Airtable. So I'm going to take you back to Airtable, and here I need to click on this button. And here we can see it has given me this status that is success, and I have this message that response accepted. Now I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response, and in this response I have received the record ID. So here I have received this record ID from my Webhook response or from my button that I have added in my Airtable. And now we can instantly, or on a click of a button, we can get the response from Airtable. And now by using this record ID and by using this response, we can instantly send emails by using Gmail. So before sending the email, what we need to do is, we need to use this record ID, and we need to get the detail or the details that we have added in this particular record. So for that, I need to set up my action steps. So I'm going to open this tab. And here my action application is going to be Airtable. So I'm going to search for that. And I need to select Airtable here. Now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And get record will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I need to connect Airtable with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And now I need to connect Airtable with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect with Airtable. And here I need to scroll down, and I need to add my base first. So for my base, I need to again take you to my Airtable account. And here in Airtable, I have this base of sending emails. So I'm going to use this particular base in Airtable for connecting Airtable with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And now I need to add my base. So I'm going to click on this add a base button. And here I'm going to search for my base that is of sending emails. So I'm going to select my base here. And now I need to click on grant access. So here I have successfully connected Airtable with Pabbly Connect, and now my base and my table is already selected. Now here what I need to do is, I need to give my record ID from which I want to collect my record details. So here what I'm going to do is, I'm going to map the record ID from my previous steps of Webhook, and I'm going to map that so that it will become dynamic, and as we are going to receive a new response from Airtable for our record ID, then automatically that record ID that we are receiving from Webhook response will get replaced in the real time. So here what I need to do is, I need to first toggle on this map button, and I need to clear this default response. And now here I need to map the record ID that I'm receiving from my webhook response. So here for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to open this response of webhook by Pabbly, and here in this response I have my record ID, so I'm going to map this. And now I have added my record ID of the Airtable record that I have received by clicking on a button. Now here, as I have received this record ID, what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see by using this record ID, I have received all the detail of my record. So here I have the name of my customer or my lead, that is demo user. I have this email body, and this is my email body that I want to send as an email to my lead. Also here I have the email address, that is demouser@pabblytudes.com. I have the field subject or my email subject, that is unlock exclusive offers just for you. Now here I have received my record details. So what I need to do is I need to use all these details, and I just need to send an instant email by using Gmail. So here by using Gmail, what I can do is I can use all these details that I have received from my record, and by using these details I can send an instant email. So for that I need to add one more action step here. And here my action application is going to be Gmail. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to select Gmail here. Now I need to give my action event, so I'm going to open this tab. And send email v1 will be my action event, so I'm going to select this. And I need to connect Gmail with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection. And I need to click on Connect with Gmail. Now here I need to click on Allow to give access to my account. So I'm going to click here. And I have successfully connected Gmail with Pabbly Connect. Now here what I need to do is I need to fill all these details of my email that I want to send to my lead or my customer. So here I need to map the detail like the recipient email address and the name, email subject, email body, and all other details. So here I'm going to first give my recipient email addresses, and for that I need to click here. I will open this response of Airtable, and here this is my recipient email address, that is demouser@pabblytudes.com. So I'm going to map this. Now similarly I need to scroll down, and I need to give my sender name. So here my sender name will be Pabbly. And here you can give any sender name like your name or the name of your company, and you can use any sender name that you want to use. Now I need to give my email subject, so I need to click here. I will open this response of Airtable, and here this is my email subject, so I'm going to map this. And now I need to select my email content type. So I want to send a plain email, so here my email content type will be of plain. And now I need to give my email content, so I need to click here. I will open this response of Airtable, and here I'm going to map the email body, so I'm going to map this. And now I have mapped all the required details that I want. So I have mapped all these details here. So what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new response from my Airtable record, then automatically all these details that I've mapped here are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. Now what I need to do is I need to scroll down, and I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent an email automatically to my lead or my customer that I have received from my Airtable record, and I have sent this email instantly by using Airtable and Gmail. Now to check this, let me take you to Gmail. And here on Gmail we can see I have sent this email to demo user. So I'm going to open this, and here this is my email that has the email subject, that is unlock exclusive offers just for you. So this is the email subject, and here this is my email body. Also here I have my sender name, that is Pabbly, and I have sent this email to demo user. So the email is demouser@pabblytudes.com, and I have sent this email to my customer or to my lead in just a simple click of a button. So here I have sent this email automatically from my Airtable record by clicking a button, and here I have successfully set up this workflow. And now what is going to happen is that in our Airtable we are going to add the detail of a new customer lead with the email detail that we want to send. Then automatically, simply by clicking a button, it will instantly send an email by using Gmail. So to check whether I have set up this workflow or my workflow is working successfully or not, let me take you back to Airtable. And now I'm going to add the detail of a new customer here. So the name will be test user, email will be testuser@pabblytunes.com, and now I'm going to give my email subject. So here I have all these email subject and my email body in this templates table, and by using all these detail I can send personalized email that I want to send to my customers. So I can use the subject and email body from here. Now here I have added my subject and this email body. So this is my subject, that is new arrivals, fresh style just for you, and this is my email body. Now what I need to do is I just need to click on this button, and I want that as I'm going to click on this button, our email should be instantly sent to my customer. So to check this, let me just click on this button, and here it gives the status of success, and I have this message that response is accepted. Now as I have clicked on this button, our email should be sent instantly to my customer, and to check this, let me take you back to Gmail. I will go back, and here we can see I'm on this send section, and here we can see I have sent this email to test user. So I'm going to open this. So here this is my email that has the email subject, that is new arrivals, fresh styles just for you, and here this is my email body. Also here this was sent by Pabbly and it was sent to test user. So here we can see that just by a click of a button, I have sent this email automatically from my Airtable record, and by using all the details that I have in my Airtable record, I have sent this email instantly. So before, in Pabbly Connect, we have Airtable as a polling response. So for sending the email from Airtable, we had to wait for some time. But now by using this setup and by setting up our button, we can instantly send emails from Airtable to our customers and lead. So here we have successfully created this connection between Airtable and Gmail for sending emails on just a click of a button. So we have successfully created this automation and this integration with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here with Pabbly Connect, we have connected Airtable and Gmail to automatically send emails from Airtable with a click of a button. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Webhook by Pabbly, and my trigger event was catch Webhook. Then I have set up my action steps, and first I have used Airtable, and by using Airtable, I'm going to get all the detail of the record by using this action event of get record. Then in the last, I have used Gmail as my action application, and my action event was send email version 1. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.